Sambhal Mosque, that's been in the eye of the storm for the last month. A survey report has been submitted in court. We hear 60 photographs of Sambhal's Jama Masjid has been submitted. Sambhal's survey report has been submitted in a sealed envelope. Sambhal, as we know, has been really the center focus since a survey that was carried out post a lower court giving out permission for a survey as per the Hindu side's demand. Now, that survey's report has been submitted in a sealed envelope with 60 pictures of that mosque survey that's attached with it. The lawyer has spoken. Listen in.
इसमें आज हमारे द्वारा रिपोर्ट सबमिट कर दी गई है। इसमें हमने 2 शिफ्टों में सर्वे किया था। फर्स्ट सर्वे हमारा 19 नवंबर को हुआ था, सेकेंड सर्वे 24 को हुआ था। दोनों लगभग करीब 5-5.5 घंटे की हमारी वीडियोग्राफी थी। तमाम फोटोग्राफी की हमने की थी। रिपोर्ट के साथ सब फोटोग्राफी हमने सबमिट की है। लगभग ऐसे होंगे करीब 60 फोटोग्राफ पर 50-60 फोटो 60 फोटो। हाँ, 50-60 के बीच हो गए।
और कितनी कॉपी लगाई?
ये कॉपी बोला मैं बताया ना, मैं 43 पेज
रिपोर्ट में। और ऐसा क्या खास है जहाँ जिसमें आपने देखा है?
ये तो ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट की गाइडलाइन है, इसके वो कमेंट नहीं करेंगे इस पर।
अच्छा, बंद लिफाफे में आज आपने
सील लिफाफे में मेरे द्वारा सील की गई है। ऑनरेबल कोर्ट के द्वारा फिर वादी और प्रतिवादी अधिवक्ता की मौजूदगी वो रिपोर्ट सील कर दी गई है।
Now we bring Piyush Mishra joining us. Piyush, Sambhal, which has been the eye of the storm, the survey itself that was much talked about, finally a report has been submitted to UP court with 60 images of this survey that they carried out. The Harihar temple as it existed before the mosque was built. That's what the Hindu side claims. That survey report has been submitted to UP court. Big disclosure there on the Shahi Jama Masjid survey. Inside details of ASI report from sources that we have. Piyush, you could give us a little more about what we have as part of this report.
Well, as far as this report is concerned, what we are now learning, Nadia, that around 60 photos are there. Those were clicked by the surveyors while they were doing survey of Shahi Jama Masjid in Sambhal, and this report has now been submitted in Chandosi Court of Uttar Pradesh. Remember that first time when the survey was taking place, at the time there was no warrants, but the second time when it took place, we saw warrants taking place, stone pelting also happening. But now, despite all the warrants, the surveyors have submitted their report. The court commissioner, when speaking to India Today, has also confirmed that this report has been submitted in a sealed envelope, and there are around 60 photos those were clicked inside the Jama Masjid have also been given, have also been submitted to court. So big details, those are now coming out from that particular report which has not been submitted. Remember that it was a long pending demand of various litigations who were demanding that Jama Masjid should be, survey of Jama Masjid should take place, and we saw when second time when it was taking place, violence also erupting. Many people had lost their lives, many were injured. In fact, the senior most police personnel, in fact, he also got injured. Following which, we also saw the government machinery putting all its resources to control law and order situation, and now a police force is also being built right in front of that Shahi Jama Masjid where the violence has taken place.
Thanks very much, Piyush, for joining us.